If you have the luxury of going back home to save some money, do it, okay? I don't know if you can even tell a difference. Say hi, Hannah Dunner. Chirosa? Girl, I just feel good about myself right now. When you look good, you feel good. Hello, welcome back to another day. And I don't even know what vlog this is, you guys. Today is July 31st. Tomorrow is August 1st. And y'all, I done moved out of my apartment, moved into my dad's house. I got Hunter in the cut. My lease was up and I was just thinking, like, you know what? Why not go and save some money living at your dad's house? I have learned from the years of like living alone as like a 26-year-old, if you have the luxury of going back home to save some money, do it, okay? Because like I wish I would have stayed with my parents longer, but I'm so happy that I can come back to save. Also, my car is non-existent. She's done for. Bessie is gone, y'all. She's gone. We're on the lookout for a new car, so I'm working with a salesperson right now trying to figure out what car would be best for me and Anaya. I don't want like a bigger car or a SUV. I want more of like a sedan or like just a car. We don't really need something big. It's just me, her, and Hunter. But yeah, that's the update, you guys. And I'm gonna start vlogging again. So yeah, I had today off just trying to figure out some car stuff, getting Anaya situated, turn my keys into my apartment. And yeah, now we're here. We're at my dad's house. I got my curtains up too. Anyways, I will update you guys a little bit later. I'm just waiting to hear back to see if I can go get my car today. The car is an hour away from where I live, so I'm gonna have to have like someone drive me there. Hopefully someone can. Hopefully I can get a car. Pray for your girl, man. I've been going through it. But yeah, so we're at my dad's house. We're saving up some money and we're gonna get a new car. And yeah, I'm just gonna like take you guys along the journey of like getting my room together and just living at my dad's and with my sister. My sister also lives here, so that's who you guys see in my vlogs a lot. But yeah, that's an update, and I just wanted to let you guys know I'm coming back. I'm so sorry, y'all. I've had so much going on in my life recently that it's just been, vlogging has just, I don't know, I just haven't picked up the camera. I haven't thought about it. So yeah, I will see you guys a little bit later. I'm not your man, baby. No, I can't do what a man should be doing for you. Trying my best to pull through for you. Yeah, listen. Few years we've been at it. So much static, I've been calling you sporadically. Same old shit, pack your bags, come lay back with me. Last time that we fucked, that shit was cinematic. I don't expect for you to settle for me, but I hate it when you say to me, you're done playing games with me, done trying to wait for me. Still check for me, you can't get away from me. Go tell them you still love me. Don't know it, but you're stuck with me. By now you know you're stuck. Good morning, welcome back to another vlog. I haven't vlogged in, I'm gonna say like a couple months, y'all. I'm sorry, my hair looks a hot mess. I just woke up and we straightened the hair. It's been straight for, I don't know, like a week now, I would say, and it's held up pretty good. My curls are like starting to come back over here, so we're gonna touch it up. But anyways, plans for today, we're about to go to the pumpkin patch. I'm trying to pick out an outfit. Say hi, Hannah Dunner. She's your Hannah Dunner. Anyways, I'm trying to pick out an outfit to wear to the pumpkin patch. I don't even know if it's cold outside. I didn't check the weather. My sister said it was cold, but it gets cold in the morning. It's like at the point where it gets cold in the morning and then it's hot later on in the day. So let's see. Right now it's 65. Oh, it says it's gonna rain. It's 69 is the highest. So yeah, I have this little jacket. Let me show you guys. So I got this jacket from Walmart. She was so cute. I was like, oh, I can't leave the store without this. As soon as I seen it, I was like, yeah, I have to have that jacket. I'm trying to see if I want to do a black bodysuit with it and then some shoes and then a cute little bag. But I'm just trying to figure it out. I don't know if I should do pants and then wear like a comfortable shirt underneath it, like a black shirt and then pants instead. I don't know, but we'll see. We'll see. So I'm gonna let you guys see the fit once we're done. But yeah, that's our plans for today. I'm gonna go ahead and listen to some music, get my hair re-straightened out because, girl, like, this is a hot mess. And then I will check in with you guys in a little bit. It feels so weird trying to vlog again, though. Like, I don't know. It feels so off. I don't know. Like, I have to get back used to it. But anyways, yeah, that's the plan. So I'll check in with you guys. I wanted to do some lip liner, but I didn't know if I wanted to do like brown or if I wanted to do red, because I found a red lip liner. It's not like red, it's like burgundy, but that's what I wanted to do. Also, this, let's just talk about it for a second, because this is the Sol de Janeiro Cheirosa. Girl, I usually go for, like, you guys know, my vanilla, but girl, this stuff, delish. I'm so glad to be vlogging again, you guys. Like, I feel like I'm back on my stuff again. I feel like I'm getting my life together with YouTube. I love doing YouTube. It's my passion, and I'm so glad that I can get back on track. And I need you guys to hold me accountable sometimes, okay? Like, I can't do this alone. All right. I have to clear out my purse because I have so many, like, papers in here from Anaya's school. Let me close my gum. Also, this deodorant smells top tier. Smells delicious. I'm also running out of my Summer Fridays. I tried Summer Fridays and y'all love this one. This is the vanilla one. Tastes amazing. Okay, I think that is it. We got everything. I'm just bringing this bag because I can fit my camera, my charger, my batteries, all that stuff in there. My phone, etc., etc. And yeah, I think we are ready to go. So I'm gonna head out, and I want to try that lip liner like I said, so I'm gonna do that real quick. Okay, let's set y'all up. Hopefully here. Yeah, wait. I'm gonna just hold it if I can. Okay, so this is the color of the red one that I found. I don't know if it's gonna. Yeah, this is the color of the red one that I found. So I'm gonna try this and see if it does. I'm not gonna do it too hard. I'm gonna set you guys like that. I always have a hard time when it comes to lip liner. Okay, let's see. I just use my regular lip gloss. I don't know how I feel about it. I feel like I like the brown better. I don't know if you can even tell a difference. Can you even tell a difference? It just looks like more red. I like it. We're doing that for now. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna go get coffee. Yeah, I like it. Okay, so change of plans. It is hot outside, so I took my jacket off. Y'all, look at this. 71. Like, I'm not... I'm already sweating, okay? Like, we're already sweating. So I'm gonna go ahead and head over to get my coffee, and then I'm gonna see what the plans are. Anyways, yeah, let's go ahead. I was about to... Okay. Let's go ahead and go. Okay, so I've been trying to find new coffee places So I'm going to this one. I think it says it's 9 minutes away. It's called Matcha Head. But matcha does sound good too, though, girl. Let me clean up my camera. Sorry, y'all had to see that, you know. Gotta make sure the camera clean. See, look at that. That looks so cute. I'm sorry. Like, I just feel good about myself right now. When you look good, you feel good. We made it, but it's kind of starting to rain. I don't know if you can see, like, the raindrops. Yeah. I'm gonna try to see if I can run over here really quick before it rains because my hair is straightened. But look how cute the little balloon is. It's a little ghost balloon. Cute. And that's the plant shop. And then downtown is decorated for fall. I do not want to get out, you guys. It's raining. And my hair is straight. I'm not even gonna take the chance. I'm so sad because I want a coffee. Oh, it's hailing. It's not raining, babe. Look at this. I don't know why this is zoomed in so far, but I think I have an umbrella in the back. Let me unzoom this. But I think I have an umbrella in the back, so I'm gonna go because I still want to get coffee. And I want to see how this coffee place looks. Let me put you guys up here for a second. Ugh. Okay. Hopefully that's okay. No, it's not. Oh, I can't even set you guys up. I'm just gonna take it off the tripod. Okay. Period. Okay, I think we have an umbrella in the back. Let's find one. See if we got one. We never are unprepared. We stay prepared, okay? Let's go get our coffee. Oh, my hair! Don't know where I'm going. We made it. Thank you.
Yep. Have a great day.
Thanks, you too. It's not raining anymore.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. You say I'm talking like I don't